Okay, so that's all. That's what you get on the video. Okay. We have no real procedure actually. Like I have to take it all apart.
Yeah, haven't done this in a while. This would be the go-to video. Like, how did we do it?
Do it or what not to do. Okay, that should all come out. This can stay there. Maybe I'll take the tires off first. Get them out the way. What's going on here?
Can't remember how that button mounts to the back motor.
I think really it's with this bolt. This is kind of sandwiching it down, and then a bolt here.
Oh, okay.
But so really you'd have to undo this, undo that, and slide it out.
Mm.
Take the bolt out. The bolt has to come right out. The front, take the front first. This can stay there. I think it should just come out.
Beauty.
Yeah, I could trim all that too. Get save some weight if we need it. I'm gonna get this somewhere else. That's it. Might as well keep that even intact. Where is... I think this fits.
Oh, the
We want to
motors
do.
are not quick
Yeah,
disconnect.
I forgot about the motors. What's this? Here's toy. What the heck? Yeah, what do we do about the motors? I don't want to have to guess. Not guess, but I don't have to.
You have to run that program again and go through and troubleshoot it.
It is M1. They're labeled M2.
But how do we know what side it goes on? Yeah,
I have a dot, so each power actually, I think. Can you see? That would be hard to see anyways, but in each. It's hard to see. On each power where it connects to the motor, the red wire we'll call it, there's a dot. There's a dot underneath with marker on that motor, and the same with this one.
So the red wire is always the dot.
Maybe the red wire's the dot. Let's confirm it here. On the back motors, looks like the red wire's at the dot on motor 4. And there's and the back motor there has the dot.
Have to zoom out again.
Well, I guess we gotta. Otherwise, we have to take all that other stuff apart. Is there a way we can mark this down, like the front? I'm gonna write this down. It's hard to take a picture of the dots, but I know that on the front. Let's see, diagram here. Motor 1 and 2. Positive. motor 3, 4. Then I'll just put negatives on the black dot. I'm going to mark it actually once I get it out. I'm just going to put either red and black. It's not necessarily positive or negative.
No, but it matches with the wire.
It just matches with that color, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we can make these quick disconnect one day for sure. Yeah, it's tight to get in there. Actually, this is not an advertisement for Crown Royal. That might show up better. Show up better there. Double check that that's. Okay, we got to cut those bolts too down. Got to cut them down, so we got to mark them before we take it apart. Oh.
Not too bad though. Comes apart pretty quick.
Yeah.
As far as the wiring, the electronic stuff, but yeah, the motors and still got
Yeah,
a
if you
lot to
want the
go.
motors are the hardest part, like to get to anyway, not the hardest part. You're not doing that all the time. The brain.
Jeez.
It's a whole bundle of bird's
It's
nest.
been years since we got to this level. No wires, just that, like the base. Oh my god.
I don't think I gotta take these off, but I'm gonna get them out the way.
I think the battery box looks good the way it is. It'd be a shame to print it.
It'd be hard to print it almost.
Hmm.
Yeah, it would have good things and bad things. I guess you can. Sometimes it's easy. Depends how you're doing it, though, I guess.
Maybe you should put a marker on the holes that we're using. So you strip it all down. It's like, what's this hole?
They are all different. That's still in prototype stage. Matching the bolts.